I'm not really sure if I'm going to publish this video or not about a potential major snowstorm. So I figured we'd film it and see what we get. Right now we've got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches on the ground from some previous snowfalls, but we'll see what happens. Not exactly the most exciting motorcycle footage and motorcycle weather, but it's one of those things that if it does happen, it'd be cool to document. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. So anyways, the snowfall happened. It was not record, well actually, take that back, it was record setting. It was not what they expected it to be, and thank goodness, because I really didn't feel like moving a foot of snow. And I don't think the winds kept up strong enough for it to be a blizzard, so good for that. But now I gotta go out and clean it up, so let's go do that. Well, it's not perfect, but it is the middle of a pretty serious snowstorm. I hope you can see it. I got my sunglasses on. It is what it is. On to the next. Believe it or not, there's actually a walk there, and we're gonna dig it out. So here we go. Well, it looks like I might have to upgrade from my 1999, early 2000 technology because my battery's dying. But we've made it to here so far. So, I'm gonna keep going and be back in a minute. Now I can see. My glasses were all fogged. So anyways, got the, that's the snowplow driver fixing our road finally. And I've got the walk done now. Yeah, wish I had some camera for that. That'd be fun. I tell you, natural stone is one of the prettiest things in the world in the summertime. But in the wintertime, natural stone can be a real pain in the butt to shovel. But as you can see, all the way up to the steps now, and all the way down to the beginning of the walk. So part 2 done, now on to part 3. to you. This wasn't the most fun snow removal time of my life, and it's not the cleanest either. But for a small little lawn tractor, we moved a lot of snow today. We moved a lot of snow today. And we've got some piles here that are just gargantuan. Well, for my driveway, they're gargantuan. Whenever I used to plow parking lots and things like that, these are small piles, but for my driveway, that's an awful lot of snow. And to be honest with you, I've had my fill of it. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for joining me today as we went on this journey of property maintenance, I guess is a good way to put it. Let's hope that's it for the snow, and the next videos can be actually something with 2 wheels instead of 4 wheels on a snowplow. Either way, thanks for watching. See you next time.
2 days later.